Today we're going to watch Bini's full performance as the Magic All-Star Games 2025. Shout out to Bini Ganda. Thank you for uploading this video. Let's not waste any more time and play the video. Wow. So this is actually my favorite song. That's really nice. This is the one they perform All-Star Games. Galing naman. Wow, lambot ng bewang, ano? Sheena. Ulitin ko lang sinabi ko, di ba? Sabi ko kanina, favorite songs ko yan. Kaya, I'm really glad they chose to perform it. I never get tired of listening to this and watching their choreography. It's just so good. Talagang sobrang gusto ko yan, kaya inulit ko lang sinabi ko. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Later ka lang. I save it later. And you know, honestly din, I didn't even know who to focus on. Diba? Lahat sila kasi, no? They look stunning in their outfits talaga, yung fit nila. I just couldn't choose. Everything suited them so well. They were amazing, absolutely beautiful. Ayan, focus na siya sa maramihan, OT8. Now, si Aya, first na first ang kanyang face. Diba? Si Aya? Yeah. May team siya ngayon. Mukhang nag-beach. Rap part. Wow. Napapawaw ako dito. Sorry dun sa ano. May technical difficulties lagi tayo. Medyo maingay. Alam mo yun. Sorry for that. Wow, I told you that chorus really hits. It just makes you want to dance. Mika's part. Okay, wait lang. Maingay ulit. Joanna. May ano makulit dyan. Okay, focus na kay Mika and Joanna. Ang ganda ng boses ni ano talaga, ano? Taas. Live na live yan, ah. Yeah. May konting backing tracks. Meron ba? Backing tracks, backing vocals. Yeah. Meron. I hear. Can't seem to find. Parang gusto ko i-blend yung boses ko eh. Gusto ko ikata na yan. Oh, chorus part. Ayan. Alam mo, yung chorus na yung gusto kong sayawin yan. Sayawin mo! Galit yan. Favorite ko rin kasi yan. Their movies are so fluid like a rubber. What? Aya, like rubber. Yung katawan nila. And what are they going to do next? I wonder. Oh, it looks like there might be another song coming up. Oh, wow. With jackets. Their outfits actually come with matching jackets pala, no? This whole look is just so good. So I really love it. Like, seriously love it. You know, ito. Nakita mo may tinuturo ko. Wow. Yeah. Oh, Shaggy D is one of my favorite songs. Nice. Wow. Shaggy, Popo. Takot sa tenga nung kanta mo. Wow. I honestly have no comment. This is just so enjoyable to watch. And Sheena. And the rap. Wow, si Joanna yun, pero hindi nakita sa camera. Kasi nasa gilid. And I like the rap part. Wow, this is insane. I was completely speechless watching this performance. They were all dancing together in perfect sync. Amazing, right? Yeah. Seriously impressive. Seriously. Yan, no? Wow. Diba sabi nung mga nangaapi sa kanila, hindi raw sila sabay-sabay. Laro yan eh. Shaggy yan eh. Oh, kaya, I see. Ganun talaga yun. Hindi nila alam yung ano. Ganun ba yun? Yes. Shaggy. Pero sabay-sabay naman sila. Oo. Diba ang first na mga, ano nila, tumalong pa ng mataas. Ang first na mga faces nila. Yeah. Talagang hindi sila lazy mag-perform. Nakakatawa talaga silang panoorin mag-perform. Madami akong masasabi later na lang. Madumade. Baka makasama ako sa member ng Bini. Ako yung pang-siyam. Kasi alam ko yung mga kanta nila. Oh, ito na yun. Sabay-sabay sila. Mahilig kasi silang mag-add ng mga dance step. Diba? Yeah. Dance break yan. Oh, dance break. Dance step sa dance break. Look at their expression, those first looks. Yeah. I won't name each one anymore, But they all move as one. They were holding props. Holding props today. Kung ano sinasabi ko. Wala ko sinasabi. Kudos to them, honestly, so synchronized and wow. Diba? Yeah. I was surprised. That was super nice talaga. They're just so talented. Ano masasabi mo? Ikaw na, kanina pa ako nagsasalita eh. Nood ka lang manood. Siyempre, na-enjoy ko yung sila. All I can say is, makinig ka. Okay, nakikinig ako. From the moment they entered, I was already overwhelmed by their shouting. I laugh at Stacy lang kasi her shoe looked like it had a stopper on it. She laughed too. But she didn't stop. Tuloy lang siya sa paglakad, diba? Did you see their shoes? They were all Nike. Hindi ko lang pansin kasi... ngayon? Yeah, they were all Nike. Okay. You know what's the price? Ano? I'll tell you later. Alam mo kung saan ako nakatingin. Sige, mag-comment ka na. Namaya ako sasabihin. Yeah, they're so cool. Their style was awesome. They have similar fits and Malay's outfit was also eye-catching, wasn't it? Lahat naman sila. I love it. The effect of their presence was intense. I got goosebumps even before they started singing. Yung energy nila dito is so strong. They were so hype up. And the audience also contributes to the energy. Bini is something else. Before, they were ignored, sabi mo nga, diba? But now, look at them. They're incredibly popular and they truly deserve it. And I noticed something lang. Ano? Aya really gave her all. Everyone naman gave their all. No one was lazy in dancing. But Aya caught my attention. And also Joanna, yeah. They both had double the energy here. And lastly, their shaggy dance break. They did it again. It's incredible. They're captivating to watch dance. So, sobrang synchronized. It's like they're one person dancing. Therefore, the rating I give from 1 to 10 is 10. Tinuro ko lang dito sa screen. Okay, go. How about you? Okay, overall, that was an incredible performance, diba? Bini really brought the energy from start to finish. Their synchronization was on point, choreography was clean, and you could really feel how much they enjoyed performing. Each member stood out in their own way, whether it was Joanna's clear live vocals, Aya's fresh presence, or Mika's powerful moments. Even when some of them were at the... Nagmamadali ako, walang oras. Sige, 10 out of 10, 10. Perfect. Yeah, Bini. Okay. Meron pa 56, 57. Okay. Super